हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। पिछले पीरियड में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? नाउन्स पढ़ा था। यस, क्या पढ़ा था? नाउन्स। यस, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है वो किसका है? चैप्टर नंबर 2, प्रॉपर नाउन्स। यू नो special names of the people, place, animal and thing are proper nouns. What is proper noun? Proper noun means a special name of a person, place, animal and thing. कोई भी स्पेशल नेम, जैसे किसी का नाम, यस, तो वो क्या है? प्रॉपर नाउन। फिर डेज ऑफ द मंथ, वो सब भी क्या है? प्रॉपर नाउन। देखिए, नेम ऑफ स्ट्रीट्स एंड बिल्डिंग्स आर ऑल्सो प्रॉपर नाउन। कोई भी स्ट्रीट्स और बिल्डिंग्स जो होती है उसके जो नाम्स होते हैं वो भी क्या कहा जाता है? प्रॉपर नाउन्स। प्रॉपर नाउन्स इंक्लूड नेम्स ऑफ माउंटेन्स, रिवर्स, ओशियंस एंड कॉन्टिनेंट्स। प्रॉपर नाउन्स में क्या इंक्लूड होता है? नेम ऑफ अ माउंटेन्स, रिवर्स, ओशियंस एंड कॉन्टिनेंट्स। नेम ऑफ डेज, मंथ्स, फेस्टिवल्स एंड स्पेशल डेज are proper nouns too. Name of a days, month, festivals and special days are also called a proper noun. जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि जो डेज होता है, मंथ होता है, फेस्टिवल्स होता है, स्पेशल डेज होते हैं, वो सब क्या कहा जाता है? प्रॉपर नाउन। नेम्स ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट्स, books, newspapers and magazines are also proper noun. जो नेम ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट होता है, फिर बुक्स होती है, न्यूज़पेपर्स होता है, मैगजीन्स होती है, वो सब भी क्या कहा जाता है? प्रॉपर नाउन कहा जाता है। फिर आगे हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज। एक्सरसाइज ए, वर्क इन pairs. What you have to do? You have to work in pair. Yes, think of proper nouns for each common nouns given below. आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे जो भी कॉमन नाउन्स दिए गए हैं, यस, यहाँ पे जो भी कॉमन नाउन्स दिए गए हैं उसका आपको प्रॉपर नाउन लिखना है। क्या करना है? प्रॉपर नाउन लिखना है। रिवर, कोई भी रिवर का नाम हम लिखेंगे तो क्या आएगा? गंगा, GANGA, गंगा। फिर माउंटेन, तो कोई भी माउंटेन का नाम लिखेंगे तो हम गिरनार लिखेंगे, GIRNAR। फिर स्पोर्ट पर्सन हम लिखेंगे MS धोनी। कोई भी एक्टर का नाम लिखना है हमें, एन एक्टर, तो कोई भी एक्टर का नाम लिखना है। कौन से एक्टर का नाम लिखेंगे? सलमान खान। स्ट्रीट, you have to write the name of the street. Yes, so we can write MG Road. You have to write here market. We have to write the name of a market. So we can write Haveli Gully. Then a city, Delhi. Country, we will write India. What we have to do over here? The common nouns are given over here. We have to write the proper nouns of it. Okay, so what we had did? First one, it was given a river, so we wrote Ganga. Second one, a mountain, so we had wrote Girnar. Third one, a sport person, so we had wrote MS Dhoni. An actor, Salman Khan. A street, MG Road. A market, Haveli Gully. A city, Delhi. A country, India. To write here a book name, so we will write, you can write any book name, so we can write English book. A film. We have to write the name of any film. So we will write Doom. A scientist. APJ Abdul Kalam. An inventor. Graham Bell. A special day. Any special day. So we will write Diwali. Festival. So we will write here Holi. A temple. We have to write the name of a temple. So we will write it. Which temple name we will write it? Kedarnath. And a monument. So we will write Taj Mahal. So what we had done here also, the name, common names are given. We had wrote the proper name of it. So now we will do the second exercise. What is given in the second exercise? Rewrite the following sentence using capital letters wherever necessary. The first one has been done for you. What we have to do? We have to put the capital letter where it is necessary. So first one, the largest city in America in New York. So the largest city in America, A will be capital and New York, N will be capital and Y also will be capital. Now see next. Queen Elizabeth is the monarch of Great Britain. So what will be the capital? Queen. Q will be the capital of Queen. Then Elizabeth, E will be the capital. Is the monarch of Great Britain. So B will be capital of Britain. The Red Sea is to the east of Egypt. So the will be capital. R will be capital of red. S will be also capital of sea. Is to the east. E will be capital of Egypt. E will be capital. Ashok's birthday is on Wednesday, the 15th of February. So Ashok's A will be capital. Birthday we will write as it is on Wednesday. W will be capital. The 15th of February. F will be capital. The man who first sailed to America was Christopher Columbus. So the man who first sailed to America, A will be capital, was Christopher, C will be capital. And Columbus also, C will be capital. Now next. The Prime Minister of India lives at 7 Race Cross Road, New Delhi. So the T, then Prime P will be capital, Minister M will be capital, of India I will be capital, leaves at 7, race R will be capital, cross C will be capital, road R will be capital, and New Delhi N and D will be capital. Marine Drive in Mumbai is often called the Queen's Necklace. So, Marine Drive M will be capital, Drive D will be capital, in Mumbai M will be capital, is often called the Queen's Necklace. I will write over here. Okay. So Q will be capital. Queen's Necklace. Okay. Now, 8th one. See here. The Nile is a longer river than the Ganga. So, the Nile, N is capital, is a longer river than the Ganga, G will be capital, and full stop. Okay. So, this was the chapter which we had learned today. What we had learned? We had learned the proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun means a special name of a person, place, animal and thing. और इसी के साथ हमारा ये चैप्टर भी ख़त्म होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको समझ में आ गया?